culture and economic and the political of the Japan. My name is Chen Zhengheng, and this is my teacher. And next, Japan is Island country local at the East Asia. Area territorial is 377.975 kilometers. And the capital is the Tokyo, and nation day is the February 11. The characters is Japanese yen, and total GDP it is the 4,097.92 billion USA dollar. And the next page it is an introduction about the economic growth of the Japan. Japan economic growth increased from 0.1% to 0.4% in the third quarter of 2019, which is higher than the marketing prediction of the 0.2% from 1918 to 2019. Japanese average GDP growth rate was 0.49%, which an all-time high of the 3.2% in the second quarter of 1990, and research recording low of the 4.8% in the first quarter of 2009. And then I will talking about the economic history of the Japan. Can we talk about the history? It is maybe we always remember it is about the Meiji Restoration begins the industrializations. And after the World War II starts, and Japanese country start to control economy during the war. End of the World War II, begin the rate and economic power stage. And end of the gold stand it is in the 1971, 25 April and September in 1805, present article. And then, it is the 1990, the last decade. It is known as in Japan, it is time after Japan's economic building break. It is a very big fans memories of the Japan. And post 2000, Bank of Japan begin to culturally easily. Then let's talk about the business culture of Japan. Business culture of Japan is have influenced a lot of companies to other countries, because Japan's success in the marketing due to Japanese companies is culturally improvement. They always attention of the culturally, and how to improvement the culturally is the first point they think. And when the companies in other countries abandon them, Japanese companies keep in the difficult technology alive. Japanese has extra springs and other countries does. Then let's talk about the political statement of the Japan. The Japanese political statement. Japanese political statement is based on the Japanese law, which draft after the end of World War II. It was promulgated on May 3rd in 1947, after the World War II ended, and its statement slamming to the United States, United Kingdoms, and mentioned long Rogan families as the country leader. Then let's talk about the after the political statement. Let's start the financial banking statement of the Japan. There's three parts of the Japan. There's three parts in the bank statement of the Japan. One is the communication banking statement, which is access that both and extends loans to the business. And the second one, it is the special government, which fund various of the course. Then it is about the companies which provide brokerage service and underwriter companies. Then the last one is the capital market, which offer the means of financial publics and provide debut and money of the market. After then, let's talk about the legion stamp of the Japan. The legion stamp is made sure to locate on American laws. Civil law contests and reset common law influence and both influenced by the traditional Japan's value. Japan's statement and cons. The strings cons, the high cons, and distance cons, and family cons, and summary cons. So, let's talk about the intense master of the Japan. Background is not important in the Japan because the women's levels in the Japan is so low and they always listen to their husband. So the memory remains always destroying and to the right. And one more thing is the pursuit of the Japan. More than 1/5 in Japan's employments are works over 18 hours of overtime per month. And they usually work overtime without pay, which case they work under the pressure. And now there's calculation of the Japan. Japan is one of the world major power with a strong political and economic points. It is a beautiful country and with a beautiful history, tourist, blossom, and animals culture. However, there's huge success in industry and pursuit make the Japanese golden economy unstable. There's a long term ensure of from the Japanese government and from the Japanese people. That's all of my topics.